So today I will be cutting my 4 English yew topiary trees. I wasn't able to take care of them last spring since I had so many hedges to cut, and by the time I wanted to cut them there were already some birds nesting in 2 of them. Now I checked, they're all gone, and I'll try to prune them today, and the next pruning will be probably in fall or in winter. So I would like to finish what I started here yesterday. I finished the English yew topiary trees, and I even finished the boxwood topiaries here, but I didn't get finished with the lavenders. I harvested a lot, and I will still have to trim 4 lavenders, and then I'm done. It's still very hot, almost 30 degrees centigrade, but there's a cool breeze from the west. So I'll do this now, and then I'll show you what I did over here. So I have 4 jars of lavender flowers that I harvested, and I took all the stems and the foliage. So these are just the spent flowers, and I will be using them for lavender sugar